Welcome, YouTubers. I hope that everyone's 2021 is off to a great start. I want to share an exciting announcement that Canvas rolled out while many of us were on break. This is a simple feature, but I think it will make your lives a lot easier, so let's go ahead and take a look at that right now.
Welcome. I want to show you a feature that Canvas rolled out while we were on break that I think you will find very useful. Many of you use the student view on a regular basis and you're familiar with how powerful that tool can be. There were two ways to access the student view previously. You could go to home or you could go to settings. On the home page, you will notice the student view no longer shows in this list right here. However, there is this pair of glasses. If I click on that pair of glasses, I will then go into student view. So that is a nice change. However, the real power of this change comes not from accessing it on the home page, but accessing it within resources. So if I navigate to a module, for example, and I have an example assignment right here, which just happens to be one of the TechMiss assignments from before break. But if I click there, and this assignment is published to students, it will still need to be published to students, obviously, if you're going to go into student view. But notice that that pair of glasses is right there. So if I click that, and again, if the item has been published to students, I can go into student view directly within this item. I don't have to navigate to the home page, select student view, and then navigate to the resource. I can choose this directly from where I am within a resource. And this is true for most resources, new quizzes, and obviously LTIs. Still, you will not be able to view everything within Google or Microsoft. But for the most part, you will be able to use this tool within any resource in Canvas. And once you're in student view, whether you start in a resource or you start at the home page, you can navigate around your course as a student. So that pair of glasses, wherever you see it in Canvas, allows you to jump directly into student view without going back to the home page as you had to do before. This is a real enhancement, and I hope you find it useful for you and for your students.